by daringly removing a serving military chief, Lieutenant General Anselm Namusanyatwe, a Zimbabwe National Army commander, to regain control of the security forces amid fierce succession battle against his rival, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. President Emerson Mnangagwa is now played this joker. Samira mashuka mdani kwa pana rinzi mtukamiri wenyika nema analyst pangwa ine otambisa joka raki by succession battle awana VP Chiwenga not bo subscribe ole ko on the bell ko timira pana pamnomo mdani kwa mchinzi. A joker can be a wild card, allowing one to change the course of the game. It can help one complete a set, run or combination, turning the tables in your favor. Mnangagwa hopes to reassert his firm grip over the military command structure to prevent Chiwenga from controlling and using his residual influence to gain leverage in the ongoing power struggle. Mnangagwa and Chiwenga are locked in a fierce succession infighting. This has triggered what could be a week of long knives, leading to protest on March 31. A week of long knives evokes the idea of a dramatic and intense period of time, possibly filled with intrigue, war struggles, and betrayal. The phrase "Night of the Long Knives" originally refers to the peg that took place in Nazi Germany in 1934, where Hitler eliminated potential rivals and opposition. However, in this context, it suggests a prolonged period of tension and conflict. Playing a joker can be significant, like what Mnangagwa has done. The joker's ability to represent any card in the deck provides flexibility and options. One can use it to adapt to different game situations and strategies. Playing a joker can be unexpected, catching your opponents off guard. What Mnangagwa, this surprise element can give you an advantage, as opponents may struggle to adjust their strategy. In some games, the joker can be the deciding factor in winning a hand, game, or a tournament. Mnangagwa's joker, removing Sanyatwe, prevail. Though a question was see panapa our name writers the news also jit aiwa Mnangagwa's joker cannot the move yakatora yokubvisa aiwa Anselm Sanyatwe the army general aiwa chashanda here pangwa inotiona kuti pamwe chena namusanyatwe wacho oramba kuitwa sworn in the parliament panapa taona kuti pa this last minute point achiita this action kana kutora this idea achi-implementa tana kuti yava ne a greater impact on the M31 protest ari kuplanwa nevantu dzimafungiro aimotudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi pina comment section medu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.